We work with our hands, it's what we do. From the moment we clock in to the time we punch out, our mitts are on the line, getting the job done. But here's the thing about hands, they're as delicate as they are tough. I've seen firsthand how a lifetime of hard work can take its toll on a good pair of paws. I've also seen how quickly a preventable accident can change everything. That's why I teamed up with my buddy Raja Muji to talk to you about hand safety. You ready? Let's get our hands dirty with some safety tips. You wouldn't use a wrench to hammer in a nail, would you? Of course not. The same goes for gloves. Different jobs require different kinds of protection. If you're working with sharp objects, you need a good pair of cut-resistant gloves. We're talking about gloves that can stand up to razor blades, broken glass, even the occasional chainsaw mishap. Trust me, those things are lifesavers. Then there's heat-resistant gloves for handling hot stuff, welding torches, molten metal, you name it. They'll keep your hands from turning into well-done steaks. And don't forget about chemical-resistant gloves. Those are crucial when you're dealing with acids, solvents, or anything else that could eat through your skin like a bad plate of nachos. Look, machines are amazing, but they're also unforgiving. One wrong move and they'll turn your fingers into sausage links faster than you can say OSHA violation. That's why it's crucial to use tools properly and never ever bypass machine guards. Those guards are there for a reason, folks. They're like the bouncers at a nightclub for your hands, keeping them safe from the dangers lurking inside. Keep your hands away from moving parts. Treat every machine like it's out to get you, because frankly, it might be. Knives, blades, saws, these tools are essential, but they demand respect. You wouldn't wrestle a grizzly bear without the proper training, would you? Same goes for handling sharp objects. Use the right tool for the job and make sure it's sharp. A dull knife is more likely to slip and send you to the emergency room. When you're done, store your sharp objects safely. A knife rack, a toolbox, even a coffee can with some sand in it. Just get those blades out of harm's way. Pinch points are like hidden traps just waiting to snatch a finger or two. They're those sneaky gaps in machinery, doors, or equipment where your hand can get caught and crushed. The key is to be aware of them. Before you stick your hand anywhere near a machine, take a second to look for potential pinch points. And never, ever, place your hands where they're not absolutely needed. Remember, when it comes to machinery, less is more. The less you interact with it, the less likely you are to get hurt. Distractions happen, your phone buzzes, someone tells a funny joke, or you start daydreaming about that delicious sandwich you're going to have for lunch. But here's the thing, distractions can be dangerous, especially when you're working with your hands. Losing focus for even a split second can be the difference between a job well done and a trip to the emergency room. So, how do you stay focused? First, eliminate distractions. Silence your phone, tell your co-workers to hold the jokes for later, and save the daydreaming for your lunch break. Second, be present. Pay attention to what you're doing and be aware of your surroundings. Listen, your hands are your livelihood. They're how you work, how you play, how you interact with the world, so take care of them. Wear the right gloves, respect machinery, be mindful of sharp objects, watch out for pinch points, and for crying out loud, stay focused. Now go forth and work safely, my friends. Your hands do so much for you. Keep them safe. Share this video with your team, hit that like button, and subscribe for more safety tips. Stay safe, stay smart.